Namaskaram. In this class, we are going to practice some error correction questions. It is a 2 marks question. The question is like this. Rewrite the following code in Python after removing all syntax errors. Underline each correction done in the code. So there are 2 things you have to do. First one is finding the errors and rewriting. Second one, underline each correction. First question. This question is from CBSE sample question paper. First statement, value equal to 30. Is there any error? No. Then go for the next statement. For val in range 0, value. What is wrong with this statement? At the end of this for loop, you have to give colon. Then underline this correction. The next statement, if val modulus 4 double equal to 0. What is wrong with this if statement? Yes, if is a keyword, then I must be in lowercase. If, then what about this val? Is there any variable called val in lowercase? No, here it is in uppercase. So here also you have to give in uppercase itself, because Python is case sensitive. Uppercase val. Underline the correction. Then double equal to 0. Colon is there, so no error. The next statement, print val into 4. No error. Then come to the next statement, else if val modulus 5. Here also val you have to give in uppercase. Then what about this else if? In Python we have elif, isn't it? So you have to give elif here, and this also in lowercase. Elif val modulus 5 equal to 0. Then print val plus 3, no error. Then next statement, else. What is wrong with this else? Yes, you have to give colon here. Underline the correction. This one and this one also. Next question. First statement, function header. Is there any error? Yes, at the end of function header, there is colon. Underline the correction. The next line, no error. Then for C in range. What is wrong with this? This range function, it is in lowercase. R is in lowercase. So range 1, number plus 1. No error. Underline the correction. Next statement, sum plus equal to C. No error. This is equal to sum plus C. Augmented assignment operator plus equal to. Then come to the next statement. Return sum. One thing is return you have to give in lowercase. Is it okay now? No. This return statement you have to give inside the function definition. So you have to correct the indentation also. Return sum. Now it is okay. Underline the correction. The next statement, print tot of 3. Here this tot is a function, this function. And this 3 is the argument that we are passing to this function. That is, this one is a function call. So you have to give round bracket instead of square bracket. Function call. Here also it is round bracket. Underline the corrections. You can give function call inside a print statement. See, there is nothing wrong with giving function call inside the print statement. Okay. This will print the value returned by this function. Next question. See the first statement, 30 equal to 2. Is it a valid statement? No. Equal to is used to assign a value to a variable. So you have to give equal to 30. That is, the value 30 is assigned to the variable 2. Underline error 1. Then next line, for k in range 0 to 2. Colon is missing, that we have done earlier. Then next statement, again if. This one you have to give in lowercase. If, underline this one. colon is there, equal to, double equal to, correct only. Then print statement, that also correct. Then next one is else statement. Here E you have to give lowercase, else. It is a keyword. So underline. How many errors? 4 errors. Second one, third one, then fourth one. Okay. Next question. See the first statement. If P less than or equal to 10. What is this P? It is unknown. It is not defined. Before using a variable, you have to define it. So give some value for the variable P. P equal to some value. Any number you can give. Underline. Then if P less than or equal to 10. No error. Then for I in range P. No error. Here only one argument for the range function. So 0 will be taken as start value. Then print hello. This one you have to give it in bracket. Underline the correction. Then next statement is else statement. Here this else is in between this if statement and for statement. This else can be placed here, that is for else, or here for this if else. So it can be for else or if else. Underline the correction. The next statement print bracket. Okay. So 4 errors, 1, 2, 3 and 4.